halfway through making our new garden bed, let's talk about stumps, because we just pulled this stump out of the ground using the backhoe at first and the grapple to finally finish it off. The reason we did that, instead of trying to peck away with the grapple, is when you're working on a stump like this, obviously it has this big root system under it. And what we would be trying to do is use the grapple and cut and break these roots off. The only way we could do that is using the side of the grapple. But when you're all the way out on the edge, you start exerting a lot of rotational force on your loader arms, and that's not what they're designed for. Where the backhoe doesn't mind pulling through these roots and snapping them off. So once we've got it loose and it's pretty much out of the ground, instead of trying to pinch onto it with the backhoe, we switch back to the front with the grapple, and we can take our center tines, get right here in the middle of the stump, and lift it up out of the ground. This is relatively small compared to what this machine could do. With the right expectations, a BX23 like this with a grapple on the front and a backhoe, you could work up to 4.5, maybe 5-inch stumps. Anything above that, it would be a long day.